Hi, I will talk about the failure of Tata Nano project. It was in 2009 the dream of Ratan Tata and the desire of so many middle class people. Tata Nano got launched. Ratan Tata hopes he will bring the car ownership within the reach of middle class people. The car was priced of rupees 1 lakh. But the dream of Tata and the desire of people failed. One of the main reasons was the way it was published as cheap car. In India, buying a car is more related to status and prestige. Others think that he is successful and settled. Buying the cheapest car will not bring them any status. Instead of this, they can buy a bike of rupees 1 lakh both, and in view of others, it's like that he bought a costly bike. The look was also one of the reasons for its failure. As we all know, the average Indian is more concerned about looks. The look of the car was similar to auto rickshaw. After launched, it has never witnessed a positive growth in its overall sales. The whole concept of marketing is wrong. From the start, they should have stressed that it is not competing with car, but giving alternate to. They should have allowed or directed media to compare a bike to Nano. For a few rupees more, a lower middle class man can take his family out in the comfort of a car. They could have highlighted the mileage of Nano to a bike. Instead of getting 40 km per liter on a bike, they can drive safely for 25 km per liter, which is slightly less. Instead, they got carried away and deviated from initial inspiration. The media frenzy was such that the whole nation saw the few nanos on fire, which suggested that in order to minimize the cost, Tata compromised on safety, which is against the initial inspiration. Tata wanted to give a safe ride to bike riding family, but it turned out that it is a cheap car without safety. Financial errors. Tata invested a lot of money into this project. They engineered an entirely new engine, a two-cylinder unit, and built the Sanand plant in Gujarat primarily for the Nano. As one can imagine, this investment was not cheap. Now, these costs are quite normal for a car in general, but when this car costs just a lakh, the margins are quite low. Hence, recovery of investment is solely dependent on the volume of sale, which is dependent on proper marketing. Nano was Tata's most ambitious project. Tata managed to achieve the unthinkable. Tata surprised all of their competitors and international brand with Nano because of the fact that this project was so big, but the margin was incredibly small. This project is a testament to the goodwill of Tata. Things did not fall in place for Tata or the Nano at the same time, which leads to the collapse of this project. It truly is very saddening to see such a good project go away because of few simple mishaps, the biggest one being the shifting of production from Singhu to Sanand. Nano will always remain as one of the greatest car in the world. Thank you.